Welcome to my 10 lessons I've learned from investing in small cap stocks. This is lesson number 1. It's not the most exciting, but it is the most important. Risk. If you go wrong, you can't play the game, you can't make money. Whenever people go into investing, most people look about how much money I'm going to make, I'm going to be rich. Not many people focus on how much they're going to lose. That's the important bit. Because if you lose it all, you can't play the game. Every investment comes with risk or reward. So ask yourself, first of all, where is your threshold for how much you want to lose? Ask, every time you go into an investment, think, how much am I prepared to lose on this investment? Because, if you look at your entire value, let's say you have a pot of money you're willing to invest, and you look at that, think, how much as a percentage of that entire value am I prepared to lose? 100%, you're going to go big on one trade, one investment? 75%? Where does your threshold of risk sit? 50%? Mine sits at 10%. I never, ever want to lose more than 10% of my entire portfolio worth on one investment. Because I got 10 other goes, I got 10 other chances of hitting the big one, of finding that winner, that multi bagger. But hopefully, if it goes wrong in one stock, I won't lose too much. So this is an example. Let's say, and I'm going to take a round figure, it's a big figure, but it helps with percentages. I'm going to say, let's say your portfolio is worth £100,000, all right? You've got £100,000 to invest, okay? This was how I would play it. So I would first lob off 10%. Why do I do that? Because the stock market is volatile, the value of investments can go up or down. So I'm going to say, just to take as a safety precaution, as a margin, they take off 10%. That leaves you with £90,000. 10% of that is £9,000. I never, ever want to put more than £9,000 in one investment. And that way, like I said, if it goes completely pear-shaped, and it can, it's rare, but it can. I've had one company do that on me, go into administration. If that happens, the most you've lost is 10%. And I'll repeat, you've got, 9 other goes to find that one. But I'll help you throughout this process of these lessons. I'll help you find stocks that are less likely to have major upsets like this or go into liquidation. It's through quality filters, and I'll go into that in later lessons. But if something happens from the left field and that investment gets taken out, then I've lost 10% maximum. That is very important, I live to play again. So when you come to invest, think, how much am I prepared to lose on this? How big is my risk threshold? And it's about staying in the game, finding winners. It's not about going big time on one and losing out, all right? Hope that helps in some way. If you need to ask any questions, please comment below in the box there. If you could like the video if it helped you in any way, share it and subscribe. I'm asking you to do a lot here. So comment below for any queries. Share and subscribe. And like I said, this was lesson 1. It's not the most exciting. All right, it will get more exciting, but this is the most important, because if you get burned in this one, you're out of the game. That's it. Game over. So get the risk right first. Don't go crazy on any one investment, because you've got plenty of opportunities to strike it big. Hope that helped. Don't forget, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.